Hi everyone, this is Janelle from the customer success team at Funnel, and today I wanted to show you how to import your daily budget into Funnel utilizing Google Sheets. So as you can see here, I have my monthly budget data already set up. If you wanted to have it broken down to a daily budget, you would just have to click Add Sheets, and we can rename this Funnel Daily Budget. And then you would go to cell A1 and you would paste this formula that we have right here. This formula is provided to you in the knowledge base article as well, titled How to Import Budget Data into Funnel. So you'll have that to copy and paste, but it's basically set up like this, equals split month to daily, and then here you have the name of that first sheet that has the monthly budget, and then you have which metrics you would like included. So here are the metrics that you would like. If you would like multiple metrics, then you would just put another comma and then quotations. And then if you only wanted one metric, then you would just take this out along with the curly brackets and leave it as just budget in quotations, but still keeping this parentheses here. So now that that's set up, we would just press enter. And as you can see here, the budget data has been broken down by daily level, and the same with revenue. And with that, it's ready to be imported into Funnel. So let's take it over there. Share this tab instead and connect a new data source. Then you would go to Google Sheets, click on your credentials, then let me copy and paste that. Paste the spreadsheet link, load sheets. And here you can choose which sheet you would like to import. So we have to make sure that it's set up to the daily budget sheet, not the monthly one. And then over here, you'll be able to preview what that sheet looks like. If all looks good, you can go next. And then here once more, lets you know which sheet you have, which spreadsheet you chose, the import frequency being every hour. And then here you can locate your data. So Funnel has recognized that these would be the headers up here and that the data would actually start from the second row. So we can leave it at that, but you can adjust it as you would like. And then over here we have the fields. So the date will always be set to the unit of date. And then the date format, we see that it's set up like this. Since we have the month first, then the day, then the year. And then the budget would be monetary. You can choose the precision that you would like, and we always have it set to sum. Same with revenue. And then the traffic source will always be a string. You can choose whether you want to set it across one entire currency for the whole sheet, or if you would like to have it be just whichever is under the currency row. But for us, we would like to set everything up to, I believe we had it in euros. So let's do that. Euro. Awesome. And then make sure that it says data by daily date. You can set it to date here. And then you would connect the data source. Now that that data source has been set up, you can go ahead and take a look in Data Explorer. And there you have it. Now you have your daily budget and your daily revenue broken down. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you. Bye-bye.